Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about shadcn Create, which is like a design system creator for shadcn projects. So this uses shadcn component, blocks, charts, everything, and it gives us a nice UI to create the design system that we are going to use. And this has colors, fonts, icons, radius, everything, and you can use this and create a new project in Next.js, White, any of the um, templates here, and you can also use it in your existing project. When you are creating a new project, maybe in it can be a web app, it can be a marketing app, it can be apart from a native mobile app, you can use this shared scene create to create your main design system. And using my Niram plugin, you can also port it over to Figma. So whenever I start a new project now, I come into this create, and I just create something that looks good for me. I usually go with this Ria theme and just find something good that I like, and just yeah. And I just go through the colors and find something that good that I like and matches the theme that I have, and it will usually be something good like this maybe. And this has dark mode, light mode, everything, and I just use this in everything. So for my web app, for my marketing page, everything. So this I can create a new white app, Astro app, Next.js app, and this has support for React, Aria, and base UI, so it's good. And I can also copy the theme if I want, but most of the time I just come in here, play with the options here a little bit, and copy the preset. And you can use the command next shadcn apply, and then just change the project existing projects theme with this command, so it's easier to find new themes and just update it easily to any project that you have. So I just come in here, create, find out what I like according to my brand that I have, and create any themes and create all the presets that I need, and then I use this preset and use it everywhere. So in Figma, in my web app, in my marketing app, everything, even in my mobile app, I use the theme that I selected here, so that even in native mobile apps, it looks similar to my web apps. So yeah, that's the idea. So try it out. Go to ui.shadcn.com/create, or click this button right over here, new button right over here, and then you can get started and try out many new themes. And whenever you're starting a new project, definitely I highly recommend using this to create your project from scratch. So whenever you're creating a new project, come over here, find the theme that you like, and then create your project Next.js or white project directly from here. That's what I do. So for like the last year or so, all the projects that I'm creating comes from shadcn. So yeah, that's it for this video. Try it out and let me know how this goes. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.